Okay, so this is the Peztio dash cam, and if you know me, I really like these dash cams. I've gone through a few different ones trying to find the perfect dash cam. I tried a couple of others, and the problem with them, I gave them good reviews too at the time. One of them was an inside camera, so it was just for the the passengers and stuff. Like it was like an Uber driver, and I'm not an Uber driver, so I don't really need the inside. I just want to film what's going on in front of me, see what's going on. So, and then the other one had a whole lot of wiring to do, which was good, but it wasn't exactly for me. But this one here, check this out. Look how small this is. This just sticks up on the windshield, and it's got the camera right there, and it's got the little settings here. I can put my charge it with the USB. I can turn the microphone on and off. Got a little SD card slot right in there too. And I even have an SOS button. Not sure what that is, but this one also has Wi-Fi, I heard on it. So so that's going to be really cool. So I can actually connect to it remotely to get the images off of it. And it's got the little screen right on it too. So when this is up on the dashboard, this is just the tiniest little thing, and it's going to be able to track everything that happens. And it's a little adjustable. Really like this one. Can't wait to get this one set up and try it.